I am so excited. I got my braces off yesterday. Oh my gosh, and we're gonna have an unboxing of what I look like a little later. Yeah, I am so happy that Costa Rica has become a medical tourism destination, especially with dentistry and cosmetic surgery. And that's, I had braces, but I know since I'm getting older, I'm thinking there might be some implants or veneers or caps in my in my future, and it really is like 1/3 the price. So anyway, man, I got my braces off yesterday. So I went in, you know, they're taking everything off, which only took like not very long at all, like, I don't know, a couple minutes. And I had to get fitted for a retainer, which was extremely uncomfortable. They got these newfangled retainers, nothing like I wore when I was 14 years old, that's for sure. Matter of fact, I wore it last night. It's going to take a little bit of getting used to. They had to go over some information. Let's see, so I've had braces on for 10 months, and I think in the other video I said I think I spent for maintenance, you know, monthly maintenance, I went every 2 months for that. Putting the braces on, the retainer, follow-up, everything, start to finish, was about $700. I was very happy with that price. I was expecting about 3 times that amount, about $2,000. I didn't know. I had no idea why I came up with $2,000. I just thought it was going to be a lot more than $700. That's all I can say about that. Now, I was thinking, man, I know there's a lot of you out there that need to get your grill fixed. I know there's a lot. I seen you guys, you need to get your grill fixed. I really loved the place I went. And there's 3 reasons why I really, really liked it. The first one is it's not in San Jose. It's like, if you're gonna come to Costa Rica, man, let's see Costa Rica. You know, so this place is located 50 minutes from where I live in La Fortuna, so that would make it about 3 hours outside of San Jose. But man, you can be having your mouth worked on in the morning and be on a zip line in the afternoon and the hot springs in the evening. You can definitely mix the work you need done with your mouth with a vacation, and I really like that. So I like that it's not in San Jose. Number 2, I love that this place had everything there. I didn't have to go get x-rays over here and they had to send this out and we needed to wait for that. No, they did everything there. They make the implants, they do everything. The veneers, the caps, the x-rays, the 3D image, all the stuff is there. And I thought that was cool. It's this little Tico town. You would never even... Number 3, you know, these guys, they're just so nice. You know, they're trying to get gringos to come out there. The dentist speaks English, the dentist, but the rest of them do not. But it's fun. They make it a thing. They're trying, I'm trying. Me not knowing Spanish is legendary, but we had fun, you know. So if you're interested in this and you think you'd like to make a vacation, you like this place I'm talking about, email me and I'll try to get you connected with them, or we can all even work together to kind of make that whole vacation dental work thing possible. So just email me. So let's see what I look like. Let's see how it all worked out. Man, I gotta tell you, I am so happy. Those braces, they cause your lips to come out. I was spitting on people, spitting on the video. You feel gummed up when you're talking, man. I am so happy to have them off. And I am very happy. I mean, being 60 years old, you know, there still might be some issues there. Maybe I need a little bit more gum work or something. But as far as straightening of my teeth and how they look, man, very, very happy. So anyway, guys, I'm Michael Allen, TravelCostaRicaNow.com. Peace, guys. Hope it helps. Fix your grill.